Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with all of you the present continuous tense. So let's get started. The present continuous tense, also known as the present progressive tense. It's mean we also call to present continuous tense present progressive tense. That's mean it is a verb form that indicates an action that is currently in progress or happening at the moment of speaking. It mean in distance we talk about that something happen right now. It mean happening or the moment of speaking. Just I'm speaking to you, I'm teaching to you. So this is a continuous tense. It's continue right now. Next thing we have, it is formed using the present tense of the verb to be. To be mean am, is, are, plus the present participle of the main verb ing form. It's mean we will use ing here, as I told you that it's mean we will use here main verb. With main verb you can see this participle of the main verb ing form. It means I'm going to Bara. I gave you example, I'm going to England. Just that going, we use go with go ing form at the end of this word. So here is it, it's continue form, it's continuous tense. Here are some examples. I am writing a letter. Here you can see here writing is a verb, and we use with verb v1. It's mean past form of are. We use ing form at the end of this verb. I am writing a letter, she is studying. With studying we use ing form. For her exam, they are playing football. Playing here is verb, and we use with ing form with verb. He's cooking dinner. Cooking is a verb. He's cooking dinner. Cooking is a cook is a verb, but we add here is because of the continue form. In continue present continue tense, we use past form of verb plus ing form. Compulsory. He is cooking dinner. We are learning English. Learning here you can see that we add ing form with learn. So we make it continue tense. Okay. The present continuous tense is used to describe. First, we have actions happening now. It means something will happening right now. Temporary situation. Temporary situation, changing situations. Something will be changing. Now I am here. If I start going, so I will reach there. It's continue form. Changing situation, actions happening around a specific time. Action will happen. This is the specific time. It means right now is a specific time. Actions that are not complete. Action will not complete in present continuous tense. So here the following action present continuous tense is used to describe. Following we have, like as I told you, that these five action is described. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is a verb form that indicates an action that started in the past and continues up to the present moment, or an action that happened at an unspecific time. And the past and has a connection to the present. It is formed using present perfect tense. It's mean an action happened in the past at unspecified time that we don't know about the time, so then we use present perfect tense. Now we have has for singular subject I, he, she, it. It's mean for I, he, she, it we will use has, and have we use for plural subject we, they. We can use, here is the mistake, written I in has, but I we use in have. have I we use with I have. It's mean for plural subject we I they plus the subject participle of the main verb. Here are some examples. I have eaten breakfast. Its action started in the past and finished in the present. She has studied English for 3 years. Action started in the past and continue up to the present. It's when we the action has been finished in the past. It's been it started in the past and finished in the present. She has studied English of 3 years. Action started in the past and continues up to present. They have never visited Paris. Action did not happen at a specific time in the past, but has a connection to the present. It means it has connection to the present. It means action started in the past, continue to the present, but has a connection to the present. He has just arrived. Action happened at an unspecified time in the past has a connection to the present. It means past has a connection to the present. The present perfect tense is used to describe. It means present perfect tense show to us actions that started in the past and continue up to the present. Next we have actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past and have a connection to the present. It means in this tense, past tense has a connection to the present. Keep in mind that in present perfect tense, it must they both have a connection with each other. It means past has a connection with present perfect tense. It means something started in the past, continue to the present, or it may stopped it. Action that have a result in the present. It's mean though that action its conclusion present and in the present. So you can use actions that have a connection to the present moment. It means something started in the past and now its result come right now. It's mean this moment, present moment. So I will give you next example. I have gone to Peshawar. I have gone to Peshawar. So action started in the past. It's mean no, I'm talking about that action. So right now I'm talking about that. Keep in mind that action that a connection to the present moment. It means past will have connection with present. It means I have played cricket. It's mean that I played cricket in the past, but still I'm a what? But still I'm talking about that action.